This is a look at the genuine Gerber 97-022 control stem. This stem it has the spring, the base, the O-ring. You can see the splines here and on the inside there. Get a few measurements of it. It's about 2¼ inches tall. The top, long ways a little over 1/4 inch, and then right at 1/4 inch across there. Diameter of the bottom is about 1¼ inch. And then I'd say the overall diameter is probably about 1¾ inch maybe right about there or so. And once again, this is the genuine Gerber 97-022 control stem.